Alright, so today we are going to be talking about the new DJI Mini 3 Pro. So, this is the drone, nice small, lightweight, comes in under 249 grams, so you can fly it most places without having to register it. So to unfold the arms, you take the front ones and you pull back, and those are done. Then you take the bottom ones, you pull up and out those go. And then, that's what it looks like unfolded. So, this cover needs to come off, so you can access that by just pulling on this, and then boom, comes off nice and easily. You have this piece for protection, put that to the side, and then this is with the drone you have left with. To turn on the drone, as normal DJI drones have, you have to hit the button once and then hold it. Otherwise, it won't turn on. To eject the battery, you push in on these two side tabs here and pull, and that's your battery. Has about 34 minutes of flight time with the regular battery, but the Pro battery has 47 minutes of flight time. So, put that back in. Your SD card slot is right here. It does not have a cover, and then your USB-C is there. Neither of those have a cover, probably to minimize weight, so it can keep it under 249 grams. In the box, you get the drone, obviously. You also get the RC controller, if you get the RC controller combo. And to turn that on, same push and hold, and then under here it's actually got a micro SD and USB-C slot, as well as the USB-C for charging here. But that is just so you can record your screen while you're filming on the drone, so that then if you're doing a tutorial, you can then show the viewers what the screen looks like. So, you also get, obviously, this case we already took off the drone. You get two USB-C charger cables and some extra propellers, which are always nice to have. This camera takes 48 megapixel photos. It can shoot up to 120 frames a second in 1080, and at 4K, its highest is 60 frames a second, which is actually really good for a drone like this. And the color, which in my opinion is one of the biggest things, is how much you can manipulate the color with these drones. It's D-Cinelite color, so that you can, be a little bit more flexible in editing with how you want to manipulate those colors, which I think's always a very important thing when you're looking at drones. So just for the heck of it, we're going to really quickly compare a photo I took with the Mini 3 Pro, and I took this exact same photo with the Mavic 3. So this is what they look like. Yeah, the Mavic 3 Pro, obviously the photo is richer in color and has better resolution, but that's just because it's a bigger camera, more reliable. I would probably fly this over this just because this feels like it's gonna fly away in the wind. But this is not a comparison on the Mavic 3 versus the Mini 3 Pro. So, with that being said, I'd say the Mini 3 Pro, for beginning photographers and videographers especially, is actually a great purchase. It's a great choice because you have that true vertical shooting for social media, and the RC controller combo with it is not that much more expensive. It is obviously a couple $100 more expensive, but you are getting the built-in screen as opposed to using your phone.